Gabi, how was your day today?
Hey, Mira. My day was okay. A little busy, but good. How was your day?
My day was fine too. I finished all my work on time.
That's great. Did anything interesting happen today?
Not really. It was just a normal day. What about you?
At work, we had a team meeting. It was a long meeting
Oh, about what?
about our new project. There is a lot to do.
Sounds like a busy week for you.
Yes, very busy. But it's okay. I like my work.
That's good. When work is interesting, the day feels easier. Did you get time for lunch?
Yes, but only a short break. I had a sandwich.
Sandwich only? You must be hungry.
A little? I will eat properly.
I had rice and dal for lunch. Simple food, but nice.
Sounds good. Home food is the best.
How are you feeling now? Tired?
A little tired, but also relaxed now.
Same here. After reaching home, I always feel better.
True. The whole day feels long, but evenings feel peaceful.
Do you have any plans for tonight, Kabir?
Not really. I just want to rest and watch something.
Oh, nice. Do you know what you want to watch?
Maybe a comedy show. Something light and funny.
Good choice. I think I'll cook dinner and go to bed early today.
Yes, you should rest too. You look tired today. Thanks for asking about my day, Mira. It feels good to talk.
Of course. We should talk like this every day.
Yes, we really should.
All right, Kabir. Have a relaxing evening.
You too, Mira. See you later at dinner.